Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, So with Jessica. You know the vibe.
I just got back. I got back like 30 or 40 minutes ago. I bought quite a lot of things. That was like a really big errand. I couldn't even vlog. I couldn't because I was trying to save my battery. Let me not even say anything about the fabrics I got. Like all the things I got, I'll just wrap them there. I'll unbox it tomorrow because I'm so tired. And also with my client's dress, I read 2 of our dresses. I want to make the 3rd one today, and I'm giving myself a deadline of today. Before 12 midnight, I must finish the 3rd dress. So I think that's basically all I have to do for today. This vlog has to extend to tomorrow. You guys, it has to. I might be going somewhere again this evening. I don't know. I may just capture clips from today and see you guys tomorrow.
Hello.
I know I haven't said a word today, but welcome to the next day. So I'm finally going to start unboxing and arranging the things we got, and definitely I'm not going to show you guys everything I got because some of the stuff are like lady stuff, you know, girly stuff. You don't want to see my undergarments, do you? No. So I'm going to show you guys the fabric. Let me start with this one. Like, how can I not start with this? So yesterday I actually went to the market to spend my last card, to spend all I have in this world. Me that never even had money before, the small money I had, I went to spend it on fabrics, and something happened. You guys already saw. I told you guys I might be going out. I wasn't sure because it was just like something I heard. I was like, I wasn't even sure if I'm wearing this well. And then we went out, me and my mom, and then I insisted on this bag. You guys, I saw this bag and I insisted, and this bag is so expensive. There were actually two bags. The second one was quite better but still expensive, and then I just sluggishly insisted that I wanted this one, and you won't believe I'm the owner of this bag. This is literally my first big girl bag. I know I'm so sweaty and my hair is a mess. Like, who has this hair on my head? It's not me. Oh, someone should come and remove their hair from my head. You guys, look at this gorgeousness. I usually do this thing where I have like wish lists. I just write things that I want to buy, which I usually don't even have money for them. Most times I end up tearing it or I end up deleting it. I used to describe this type of bags as tote bag. So I usually used to write tote bags, and God is just wonderful. I swear this shade of brown is everything. I love this shade of brown. I also got some cute clothes. Look at me unboxing so many things. Me that went to spend my last card yesterday. I'm unboxing fabrics here, and I'm going to do a TikTok reel. I'm going to do a detailed TikTok reel for the fabrics. So I'm going to try and put the pictures on the side for what I have in mind. For this one, I'm not sure, but you guys see this fabric. I think this fabric will be very perfect for that pleated flace skirt, but I'm not sure if I really want to still do that. I asked the guy for the name of the fabric and he said it's Sunray. I'll write it on the screen. This is it. Then the second one is this particular one. I think when I saw this fabric, I've been always wanting to make this particular kilon tattoo piece that Amy wore. Amy was the first person that wore it that I saw. I'll put the picture on the screen. And guys, I think this is the exact shade Amy is wearing, because I really want to make the exact shade she has. I've seen so many other colors online, but that particular shade is perfect. And I think this is off-white or creamy white. This is not pure white. The price of this fabric is so unbelievable. It was so cheap, I swear. I didn't even expect, because I'm like, this is the thick one, this is not the light one. So I was even wondering, does this guy know what he's selling? Definitely there will be a tutorial. I bought this white crepe for this style. I actually got it, this is 2 yards, and I got half yard of this brown crepe to go with it for this style. You guys, let me tell you why I did. Me that did not have money, when I was in the market, I told them to cut this for me. I was thinking this was the shade of brown I needed. Before the guy even cut it, I was asking myself, are you sure this is it? But I was too reluctant to go outside and check, or to even bring out my phone to compare the picture. My dear, I was even with my phone in my hand. That was how they cut this for me, only for me to see that this is the actual shade. Like, only for me to see this later and I'll be like, wait, let me see the one you got for me, and to discover that they were totally different. I'm so heartbroken because I don't know what to make with this. This is just half yard and they won't take it back. Duchess. This Duchess doesn't totally match with this fabric. It doesn't totally match, but I think it works together. I'm going to use it. It's the second piece I need to make the kilon tattoo piece. Lycra fabric. I got Lycra is so cheap. Like, I couldn't get the thick Lycra. I would have gotten the thick Lycra, but they didn't have. But I feel like I would have preferred the thick Lycra, which they claim is more pricey than this one. But I got it in 4 yards because I want to double it, because it's so transparent. I know you can see me very well from there, so I have to double it. So I got it in 4 yards. So guys, this is the process. This is where I have stopped with this dress, and this is what it looks like. This is really clean. I lose this eye because there's a mistake. I'm going to sew it back. This job is so clean than the one I made for myself. Yeah, it is currently 12 a.m 12:43 in the morning, and let me just explain, just go over everything. I was actually making this dress, right? I show you guys the last process, like where I was, and then I went to church. I didn't even pick up my phone to continue the vlog again. And then when I got back, I wanted to continue because it was light, because I needed to hem the base. You know how these people can be. I wanted to give you this professional look at the base, which I'll show you guys. Then my mom had guests. I had to go start cooking. and going to buy drinks for the guests. And then Nepa took the light. When I came back, I waited and waited and waited till 11:50 something. You guys, I only slept from 11:50 something to 12:43. That's literally like 1 hour. I was even listening to music. God, let my data not even finish. And they brought the light, and it's threatening to rain. So I just had to get up and do these things, because you see this Nigerian NEPA, once it rains, that's it. You guys, I'm so impressed with this job. This job is so clean. This dress was actually giving me headache. I actually have a tutorial for this dress, but I'm going to make another one because I changed the style of this particular one for my clients, and this is perfect, like so fine. I just pray it looks so good on her. I don't mind all this dress. My own joy is let all these dresses look so good on her. So guys, I already ironed this. I already started fixing like one of the sleeve. The back is going to have a hole, and then there's going to be like this elastic stuff and the whole back going on. I'm going to see my room. You guys, it's 3 a.m. I'm having indigestion. I don't know, I feel somehow. I've been feeling somehow since yesterday. This final dress, like I said, I want to put elastic at the back. I decided to make it more unique and sophisticated for her, and I don't have elastic thread. That's the only thing I need to do. I already also fixed like zip by the sides for easy wearing. This job is so clean. So I just want to pack this and sleep. I'll talk to you guys in the morning. It is currently 8 a.m. finally. I want to start doing my chores and then go and do my hair, and God, I'm so tired. And also make inquiries for the delivery so that I can deliver these dresses tomorrow. You guys, I didn't sleep well, God, and my stomach has been disturbing me. But let me show you guys the dress well now. This is the dress, guys. So far, this is how I've come. I just need to do that stuff at the back. I think I showed you guys in the night. This is like the sweetest part for me. This zip that I threw into the side here, it just makes a lot of sense. Yeah, I'm definitely going to recreate this for myself again, exactly like this, because I really love this one and I love the length. See me thinking the long length will not be good, thinking like the very short length will be good. I love this length. We are finally going to get our hair done. I know, right? You guys, my money is missing in this room. I have 500 naira. I kept it somewhere. That money is supposed to be my transport fare. Now this money does not want to show. Like, what the heck? Why are you doing this to me, money? Huh? You know I don't have plenty of you, and you want to just go missing, so I should do what? I can't wait till it's Christmas before I rock my bag. This is the bag we are going with today. It's back today because I want to use this dress. I don't want to be using those other bags again. Like, levels have changed. Yeah. We're going to leave this, and then once I don't make my hair, I'm going to make inquiries for delivery so I can send these items off tomorrow. Okay, so this one was not working, so I wore this. You guys, I feel like these colors are contrasting. I'm not like, it's not giving. This is so comfortable, but the colors, I know this goes, but I beg, this palm have suffered. You betrayed me, you black footwear. Always like going with me everywhere. I am so sweaty and so hungry. It's literally 12 and the only thing I've had is coffee, and I hope I lose all the weight I gained yesterday, because why not? You guys, I just got home and it's already dark. It's not really dark, but it's trying to rain. This is the hair. I swear, This is 80 down. She did it way better than the picture I gave her. Do you guys know that I went to the market to weave this dress and there was no light to weave? I came back with it like that. I've still not eaten since morning, though. I just bought Coke and probably going to eat noodles. So I just came here to sign out this vlog. I know this is not how I usually I know this is not my usual stuff of vlogging. I will do all this aesthetic stuff and the rest, but as it is, I can't do that right now because I'm also trying to record for Instagram and it's pretty difficult using one camera device. So I came to sign out. Thank you for watching the vlog to this point. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and see you guys in my next vlog and my next tutorial, because I need to edit this vlog today so that I can have space to create a new tutorial tomorrow. Bye.